this video, I am going to share the best free channels available on Roku. First, let's talk about the great selection of content you can access without spending a dime. Roku offers a wide variety of channels that cater to different interests, so there's something for everyone. One of the top free channels is the Roku channel, which features a mix of movies, TV shows, and live news. It includes a library of both classic and recent films, along with a range of popular TV series. Another great option is Pluto TV, a free streaming service that offers a variety of live channels and on-demand content. You can find channels dedicated to news, sports, entertainment, and even niche categories like classic TV shows and movies. Tubi is another popular free channel that provides a vast collection of movies and TV series across various genres, including drama, comedy, and action. With a user-friendly interface, it's easy to browse and discover new content. For those interested in documentaries, Crackle is a fantastic choice. It offers a selection of films and TV shows with a focus on original content and classic titles. If you're a fan of news, News On and CBS News are excellent free channels that provide access to live and on-demand local news broadcasts from various stations across the country. Lastly, don't forget about YouTube, which is available for free on Roku. You can access countless user-generated videos, music, and more, making it a versatile channel for entertainment. With these channels, you can enjoy a wide range of content on Roku without any subscription fees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.